One of the biggest questions we get is, how have you helped hundreds of property management companies double their door count?
And of course, we've shared this plan at so many of our events and with so many of our clients. But some people don't have the full budget to be able to do that, or they're just not ready to fully commit to the kind of growth that we require here at RentScale. And so, I get this. We all have businesses to run, and there's a lot of consultants coming up to us and saying, hey, just trust us. And what we find is that a lot of those people end up wasting our money and under-delivering their services.
We want to make this a no-brainer for you. So instead of having to pay tens of thousands of dollars and fully invest into our proven system, we kept getting asked to help companies dip their toe into the water and prove to them that this will change the way they grow their business and give them some quick, massive wins.
Just imagine if there was an MBA in scaling your property management business that also showed you how to only work with the clients that you love. More money, less stress. Well, we set out on a bold plan to do that for you guys.
Specifically, we want to help you answer 7 questions for your specific property management company.
Number 1, how do I become a clear provider for my ideal client?
How do I land new clients consistently?
How do I defend policies and fees that I know I want to enforce?
How do I reduce churn?
How do I make my company more profitable?
How do I reduce my cost of acquisition?
How do I reduce the stress that all these fires cause on my staff?
So join us for one full day of learning, insider tips, best practices, mind-blowing shortcuts, and a high-end experience that will inspire you to go to the next level.
Jeremy, that's my passion for sure. I want to teach all these PMs how to do all this great stuff, but I want to show you guys what the next level has waiting for you when you unlock it. So I add in special experiences for anyone who's actually bold enough to join us for these events.
This event guarantees success for the right property management entrepreneurs and executives. We believe in this so much that we're taking this on tour and charging relatively nothing for the success that we are guaranteeing to help you get unstuck and finally scaling your great business. We know professional property managers are necessary in today's housing market, and we want you to win the business.
Join us for a day you'll never forget in one of the 7 cities we'll be at near you.